Reflect in English podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Reflect in English podcast. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. How's everyone doing today?
We hope you're having a good day. Maybe you're walking, studying, or just relaxing with a cup of tea.
Or maybe you're checking your bank balance. That's perfect, because today's episode is all about that.
That's right. Today, we're going to the bank. We'll follow Anna as she opens an account, asks questions, gets her card, and even pays her bills.
Yeah, it's full of useful, everyday English you can really use in life.
Exactly. And don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun, just like always.
Because, honestly, banks can be confusing, even in your own language.
True. But after today's episode, you'll feel more confident to handle bank situations in English.
So, let's head over to Green Oak Bank and meet Anna.
Let's go. At the bank.
Good morning. Welcome to Green Oak Bank. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Sure. Are you new to our bank?
Yes, I just moved to the city last month. I need an account for my salary and bills.
Great. We can help with that. Would you like a checking account, a savings account, or both?
What's the difference?
A checking account is for everyday use. For example, getting your salary, paying bills, or using a debit card. A savings account is for keeping money and earning a little interest.
Okay, I think I need both.
Perfect. May I see your ID and proof of address?
Sure, here's my passport and my apartment rental agreement.
Thank you. Let me take a quick look. Everything seems fine. Do you have a phone number and email?
Yes, my phone number is 555-234-8910, and my email is anna.hughes@email.com.
Got it. Now, would you like to receive your bank card by mail or pick it up here?
I think I'll pick it up. How long will it take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days. You'll get a text message when it's ready.
Great. And, how much do I need to deposit to open the account?
The minimum is $50. You can pay by cash or card.
I'll pay in cash, please.
Sure. All right. Your account is open.
Oh, thank you. That was easier than I thought.
Would you like to set up online banking today?
Yes, please. I want to pay my bills online.
Good idea. Here's your temporary password and a step-by-step guide. You can change the password later. With online banking, you can transfer money, check your balance, and even chat with us if you have questions.
That's convenient. I'm still learning all this banking stuff.
No problem. Everyone starts somewhere. Anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. Could you tell me more about your debit and credit cards? I get confused between them.
Of course. A debit card uses your own money directly from your checking account. A credit card lets you borrow money up to a limit, and you pay it back later.
So if I buy something with a debit card, it comes from my account right away?
Exactly. And with a credit card, you'll receive a bill later.
I see. Then maybe I'll start with a debit card first.
Good choice. You can always apply for a credit card later when you feel ready.
Okay, thanks. One more question. Is there a fee to use ATMs?
Our ATMs are free, but if you use another bank's ATM, there might be a small fee.
Got it. Thanks for explaining everything.
My pleasure. Anything else for today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day, Anna.
Later that week, your debit card is ready for pickup at Green Oak Bank. Nice. I'll go get it today.
Hi, Anna. Welcome back.
Hi, James. I got the message about my debit card.
Great. Please show me your ID again, and I'll give you your card.
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your new debit card. You'll need to activate it at the ATM outside.
Oh, how do I do that?
It's easy. Insert your card, enter the PIN number on this paper, and then choose Activate Card. After that, you can change the PIN to your own number.
Perfect. I'll try that now. Okay, card in, enter PIN, activate card. Done. Oh, that was quick. Now let's change my PIN. Done. It worked. I feel like a real adult now.
You are. Anything else you'd like to do?
Actually, yes. I'd like to withdraw some cash. I want to have a little for small things.
You can withdraw from the ATM, but since you're here, I can help. How much would you like?
$50, please.
Sure thing. Here you go. $50 in cash. Please count it.
20, 40, 50. All good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like an envelope?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thanks again, James. You're really helpful.
Happy to help. Enjoy your day, Anna.
2 weeks later. Hello?
Hi, this is James from Green Oak Bank. Just calling to remind you that you can now register for our mobile app.
Oh, great. I actually wanted to ask you about paying bills with it.
Yes, you can do that easily. Just open the app, tap Payments, choose electricity, internet, or whatever bill you want to pay, and enter the amount.
Sounds simple. Do I need to add my bill details first?
Yes, just once. After that, the app will remember them.
That's handy. And what about rent? Can I pay that too?
Sure, as long as your landlord has a bank account. You can transfer directly.
Cool. I'll try it this weekend. Thanks for calling, James.
Anytime. Take care.
Okay, time to pay my electricity bill. Let's see. App open, payments, electricity, amount. Done. Wow, that was easy. Now I'll pay my rent. Okay, transfer, amount, done. I love this app.
The first time I opened a bank account, I didn't know what a checking account really meant. I thought it was something to check my money.
I think many people feel the same. Banking words can be confusing. Debit, credit, transfer, withdrawal.
Oh, yes. Once in Spain, I tried to withdraw 20 euros and ended up with 200. My Spanish wasn't great then, so I just smiled and said gracias and walked away.
But that's part of the learning journey, right?
Yeah, I think that's what matters most.
Okay, listeners, how about you? Have you ever opened a bank account in English? Or maybe you've had a funny or confusing moment at a bank?
We'd love to hear your stories. You can tell us or just think about how you would handle those situations in English.
Yes, because that's what this podcast is about. Reflecting, learning, and practicing real English for real life.
All right, shall we go deeper into some of those banking words and expressions?
Yes, let's unpack some useful vocabulary and phrases that came up today, and learn a few more about money and banks. Okay, let's start with some key banking words and expressions from today's story. First one, to open an account.
That's what Anna did at the beginning. She said, I'd like to open a bank account.
Exactly. You can say, I'd like to open an account, or I want to open a checking account, please.
So, checking account, that's the one you use for everyday money.
Yes, it's where your salary goes and where you pay bills or withdraw cash. In the UK, they call it a current account.
So, checking account is American English and current account is British English.
That's right. And a savings account is where you keep money for later. Sometimes it earns interest, which means the bank gives you a small amount of extra money for keeping your money there. Okay, next word, deposit.
That means to put money into your account.
Exactly. You can say, I'd like to deposit $100, or I want to make a deposit.
And the opposite is withdraw, to take money out.
Yes. Withdraw means you take money from your account. For example, I need to withdraw $50, or I made a withdrawal. Okay, what about ATM? Do you know what it stands for?
Automatic taco machine?
No! Automated teller machine.
Oh, right. Teller means the person at the bank counter.
Exactly. The teller is the person who helps you in the bank. The ATM is the machine version of that.
Got it. The robot teller.
Kind of. Okay, another useful phrase. Pay bills. We heard Anna say that many times.
Right. Pay bills means sending money for things you use. Electricity, water, internet, phone, all the fun stuff.
And in English, you can say, I need to pay my bills, or I'm paying my rent, or I want to set up automatic payments.
Automatic payments, that's when the bank does it for you.
Yes, automatically every month. You can also say, I want to set up direct debit. That's the British way to say it. Okay, next phrase, transfer money.
That's when you send money to someone else.
Exactly. You can say, I want to transfer money to my friend, or I sent a bank transfer yesterday.
And in everyday English, people often say, I'll send you the money.
Yes, that's the natural way.
What about balance?
Good one. Your balance is how much money you have in your account.
So when you say, I want to check my balance, it means you want to see how much money is left.
And you can also say, I'm low on balance, or I don't have enough money in my account.
Okay, last one, fee.
A fee is money you pay for a service. For example, if you use another bank's ATM or send an international transfer.
Oh, like when you withdraw cash abroad and your bank says, here's your money and also, surprise, a fee.
Exactly. And you can say, is there a fee for this? Or what's the fee?
Okay, how about we talk about some idioms about money too?
Great, let's. One common one is money doesn't grow on trees.
Oh yeah, my mom used to say that every time I asked for ice cream.
It means money is hard to earn. It doesn't just appear easily.
Another one, time is money.
Yes, that means time is valuable. Don't waste it.
What about to break the bank?
Good one. To break the bank means something is very expensive, like that new phone broke the bank.
I could also say, that pizza didn't break the bank, meaning it was cheap.
Exactly. Nice example.
What about a rainy day? People say, save for a rainy day.
That means saving money for future problems, for emergencies. It doesn't mean you only use it when it rains.
I like that. I'm going to start saving for a rainy day, or maybe a pizza day.
That's not how it works, Leo, but at least you're saving something.
Okay, here's a fun one. Easy money.
Yes. Easy money means money you earn without much work. For example, he sold old books online and made easy money.
I want some easy money.
Don't we all?
And last idiom, cash cow.
Oh, yes, that's great for business English. A cash cow is something that brings a lot of steady money. For example, the iPhone is Apple's cash cow.
I wish I had a cash cow. I just have a hungry wallet.
That's a new idiom, hungry wallet.
Trademarked by Leo.
Okay, listeners, let's do a quick recap. Not a test, just for fun. When you put money into your account, you
Deposit it.
Good. When you take it out,
You withdraw it.
perfect. And the person who helps you at the bank is a...
Teller. Or maybe a friendly robot teller.
Great. And if something is automatic, it means...
It happens by itself, like automatic payments.
Exactly. Well done, Leo.
Thanks, Maya. I think I'm ready to work in a bank now.
I'm not sure the bank is ready for you, though.
Fair enough.
Okay, listeners. So next time you go to a bank, try using one or two of these phrases.
Yes, and you'll feel proud.
You know, Maya, this episode really made me think. I should check my balance more often.
You mean you don't already?
Well, sometimes I do, but usually after I've spent too much. It's like watching a scary movie. You don't want to look, but you have to.
Oh, I know that feeling. You open the banking app slowly. Like, please don't be zero.
Exactly. And then you see available balance, $8.90. And you think, I'm rich in spirit.
You're definitely something, Leo.
Everyone has to deal with banks, even people who hate math, like me.
And that's the thing. You don't need to be good at math to handle your money. You just need to know the right words and steps.
So, Maya, next time we talk about money, can we talk about how to get more?
Okay, listeners. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned some new words and feel more confident about banking in English.
We'll be back next time.
Take care, everyone, and keep reflecting in English.
See you next time.